Justin Ceiling Fence 2006 here again. This is a unknown Casablanca Outdoor ceiling fan. I do not know the model name of this fan, but this is out on the back screened porch at my grandparents' house. This is the one that's not all white, as we all know, because it's, oh yeah, I have to turn the switch on, because it was painted when they moved it. Anyways, sorry, I just have to pull the chains again. Here it is. I believe this is high. I don't know if it wobbles. This is high speed. You gotta be kidding me. Better not actually. Yeah, it blows quite a bit of amount of air. If I saw a wobble, I don't know, did I actually? This fan actually does not wobble. Here it is on medium. It's only shaking because I pulled the chain. I mean, it doesn't shake or anything. It's like if you pull the chain. Oh, wait. I've got to be just imagining. No, I'm not actually seeing a shake. I know whether it's a little shake or not, like, I mean, I still don't want it to wobble. Not sure if I'm actually. Yeah, this actually does not wobble at all. Here is low speed. The fan moves when you pull it, like, I don't know if you saw, but like, if you pull it, like, the fan will like move, like, literally move itself. I mean, like how it happens normally to a fan, like if you don't know what I mean, you'll see. Yeah. This is it on low. Anyways, that is low speed. Now I'm gonna turn off. If you pay attention closely, when I pull the chain, you might understand. I don't know, like I'll just zoom in. Oh, I can't really zoom. Yeah. Anyways, so if you look closely, not that you'll be able to see, I'll have a shake. Yeah, yeah. Anyways, yeah, I felt like the fan did wobble, but it actually does not wobble very much at all. Cause like, when the fan's when after the fan spins down, I'll show you. It's like it's on a very short down rod, so yeah, that's probably why. So what I do know is that this fan is Casablanca, from what I was told. It's probably from 2009, but I don't know the model name. It's probably because it's from 2009, like I've said before, my ceiling fans at my grandparents' house. But this fan, like, I mean, I like this fan because it really doesn't wobble. Oh, that much at all. Like, I'll show you. Anyways, I can show you real quick, actually. I can show you right now. Oops, sorry. Come on. I'm sorry. Something happened with my brightness, so you can see. I don't know if you can see, but let me stand up here. Like, I'll actually go here. Like, I can't zoom in, actually, but look at the downrod over here. You see the downrod of the fan, like, that's how short it is. So that's probably why it doesn't wobble that much at all. Like, most likely that's probably the reason why. I mean, come on. Sorry, there was something with my brightness. Anyways, the fan stopped. It's already off. So anyways, see you in the next video. Bye.